production cost including sales and marketing. Net 25% is our net profit. If we sell 100 boxes, our revenue will be around rupees 38,000 and profit will be around rupees 9,500. Over to Gamini. So our primary competitor is Story Cubes. They are also similar sets of physical dice, but they are priced around rupees 3,000 and ours is more affordable and we have more categorized themes. Next is digital storytelling tools. Ours is more screen free and more open-ended. Writing books. These are writing notebooks provided by schools. Ours is more gamified and open-ended. Over to Nagina. In summary, StorySpark Cubes addresses the creative challenges faced by children in framing their own stories. Among a clear market with parents, schools, and libraries, we invite you to join us in shaping the future of literacy, one story at a time. Thank you. We are open to your questions now. So as our tagline suggests, okay. So as our tagline suggests, children first need to roll the cubes. So for characters, we got a shopkeeper. You can stand here and roll it. Or stand here. For emotion, we got theft. Means something happened in the shop. Yes. So for main attraction, we got magical magnifier. Yes. So for plot, we got a lake. So for problem, we got some challenge. The shopkeeper got us challenge. So now let's imagine. Okay, now I understood. Clues. Now let me imagine. So I understood that there is a shop where a shopkeeper sells his feet near a lake. So a theft happened in the shop. So he got using a magical magnifier. He have overcome his challenge. This is what I can imagine based on this clues.
Who got this idea? I think wonderful idea.
So we thought to design something.
Look at your parents. Yeah.
So we thought to design something related to creativity. Three of us together have worked on the idea, started to build.
Now my question is, how did you get that? Was it AI?
No sir, so my father gave an idea like something we can create based upon education.
So I'm saying it's a brilliant idea which I know every students have not thought. So I'm saying, was there any help from ChatGPT or anything?
No sir.
Good, you have thought about this yourself.
Yes sir.
You have done it 200% marks. Wonderful. I never expected small kids to do. So the costing part, how did you come These are, see, right now when you are rolling, because it's thermocol, it is rolling everywhere. I think you need to change that into, the material has to be changed. You see, just now, it's rolling everywhere, it's stopping everything. So, have you thought about it? Have you tried it?
Yes, sir. So for prototype, we found the best material is the wool, but the product which we imagined and which we are gonna sell will be made of soft wood, which is hard, durable, and grows in mud.
And we don't have much time. Two very good things I like the idea. The idea is great. Second, your packaging looks very nice, and I like the ownership of that. And you are wearing them on here. That all three of them, I love it. Great presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Initially, you said I thought of an idea, but who created in the whole that these should be the elements and who created it? Was it already there and put it together, or is it like it started from the basics?
These like for the clues, are you asking about clues, ma'am? Like, so we first took basic stories, like the small stories which we say to children. We have extracted characters out of it, plots out of it, and made the clues and sticked on the cubes.
Okay, so how many stories can come out of it? It's like any creativity to their
Yes.
imagination it can go.
Depending upon the child,
Child's imagination and stuff. So how many youth people could curate approximately till now?
So actually, how many? It's so 10 different people, 10 different times we have presented.
Presented. Amazing. Good. Yeah. I like the contribution. It's amazing.
Namaste, Stories for Cubes.